You're watching Tools Inspectors. Today we've got practical and fun Amazon finds for your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 1. AUTOOL Ultrasonic Fuel Injector Cleaner Tester. If your engine feels weak or fuel efficiency is dropping, this gadget is a game changer. It uses ultrasonic cleaning technology to remove carbon buildup from fuel injectors and restore performance. It can test and clean multiple injectors at once for petrol cars and motorcycles. Think of it as a full engine refresh in one machine. It also helps diagnose injector issues before they turn into expensive repairs. A smart investment for mechanics and serious car owners. Number 2. MULISOFT Car Seat Organizer. Say goodbye to backseat mess. With 11 storage compartments and 2 cup holders, this organizer keeps snacks, gadgets, and travel essentials neatly arranged. It's perfect for families and road trips. Clean car, stress-free ride. Durable fabric ensures long-lasting use even with daily wear and tear. Installation takes seconds with adjustable straps that fit most seats. Number 3. Eytool 5M Clear Door Edge Protectors. These nearly invisible U-shaped protectors shield your door edges from scratches and parking lot dings. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, they protect your paint without changing your car's look. The flexible rubber design ensures a snug fit on curved edges. No glue mess, no complicated tools required. They also reduce costly paint repairs over time. A simple preventative upgrade every car owner should consider. Number 4. MYFAMIREA Anti-Scratch Adhesive Strip. Protect your door sills and rear bumper from scuffs and scratches. This transparent, heavy-duty protective strip absorbs impact and prevents paint damage. Once installed, you'll barely notice it until it saves your finish. It's weather-resistant and built to handle daily loading and unloading. Perfect for SUVs and family vehicles. Strong adhesive backing keeps it securely in place. Number 5. Dash Cover Matte Pad. Designed specifically for Camry models, this dash cover reduces glare and protects against sun damage and cracking. It gives your interior a clean, upgraded look while extending dashboard life. Protection meets style. Custom contour stitching ensures a precise fit with no slipping. It also helps keep your cabin cooler during hot summer days. Number 6. Visible Security is powerful security. This bright yellow heavy-duty wheel lock acts as a strong theft deterrent. Built from hardened steel, it locks securely around your tire. Instant peace of mind wherever you park. The adjustable design fits most cars, SUVs, and trailers. A simple yet highly effective anti-theft solution. The high-visibility color warns thieves before they even try. Quick to install and remove with included keys. Number 7. 5-ton electric car jack set. Flat tire at night? No problem. This electric jack lifts your car with a push of a button and includes an air pump and impact wrench. It's like having a mini garage setup in your trunk. Powered through your car's 12V outlet, it's ready when you need it most. A lifesaver during roadside emergencies. Compact carrying case keeps everything organized. Perfect for long-distance travelers and daily commuters alike. Number 8. ASPL 16.5-inch roof top beacon strobe light. With 56 high-intensity LEDs, this magnetic strobe light boosts visibility during emergencies or roadside work. Multiple flashing modes in amber and white ensure you're seen in any condition. Safety that stands out. Strong magnetic mounting keeps it stable at high speeds. Ideal for work trucks, construction vehicles, and snowplows. Number 9. VEVOR 3-ton low-profile racing floor jack. Built for serious lifting, this dual-piston floor jack raises vehicles quickly and smoothly. The low-profile design fits under sports cars and SUVs alike. Durable, stable, and workshop-ready. Heavy-duty steel and aluminum construction ensures long-term durability. Smooth wheels allow easy positioning under the vehicle. Number 10. UYYE water-powered wool cleaning brush. This one's wild. Connected to your hose, and it spins automatically using water pressure. It scrubs brake dust and grime off your wheels without batteries or motors. Cleaning just became effortless. The soft bristles clean thoroughly without scratching rims. Great for cars, bikes, and motorcycles alike. Saves time compared to manual scrubbing. A smart addition to any car detailing kit. Number 11. In the Garage Ultimate Car Shield Inflatable Car Cover. Turn your garage into a luxury showroom. This inflatable car bubble protects against dust, moisture, and accidental bumps. It creates a sealed environment around your vehicle. Ultimate indoor protection. Built-in fans maintain airflow to prevent condensation buildup. Perfect for classic cars or long-term storage. Transparent panels let you admire your vehicle while it's protected. Keeps your paint showroom fresh year-round. Number 12. Govee Smart Car LED Interior Lights. Upgrade your cabin atmosphere instantly. With app control, RGB customization, and music sync mode, your car becomes a rolling light show. Perfect for night drives and car enthusiasts. You can create custom lighting scenes to match your mood. Easy plug-and-play setup makes installation simple. Adjust brightness and colors with a tap on your phone. Adds a premium, modern vibe to any vehicle interior. Number 13. Lamicall Car Tablet Headrest Holder. Long trips just got quieter. This adjustable mount holds tablets and phones securely for backseat entertainment. Compatible with most 4.7 to 13-inch devices. Easy install, perfect viewing angles. 360-degree rotation allows landscape and portrait viewing. Sturdy clamps keep devices stable even on rough roads. Perfect for keeping kids entertained during long drives. Foldable design makes storage simple when not in use. Number 14. AUTOONE 6000A Car Battery Jump Starter. Compact but powerful, this jump starter can handle all gas engines and up to 12L diesel engines. It also works as a power bank and emergency flashlight. A must-have for every glove box. Advanced safety protection prevents overcharging and short circuits. Small size makes it easy to store anywhere. Digital display shows battery status clearly. Reliable backup power for unexpected breakdowns. Number 15. Armor All Protectant Glass and Cleaning Wipes. Pack of 3. Keep your car looking brand new. These wipes clean interior surfaces, protect dashboards, and shine glass effortlessly. Quick detailing made simple. They help prevent fading and cracking caused by UV exposure. Convenient resealable packs keep wipes fresh for longer. Great for quick cleanups before a drive or car meet. Leaves surfaces looking polished and well-maintained. If you love smart car upgrades like these, hit subscribe to Tools Inspector, and I'll see you in the next one.